Hello guys, so let's understand today's question. We have the first question in the contest is you can say 6523, right? Sorry, 6354 we have in kth item with the maximum sum. Okay, so this is the first question we have in the contest, and question saying that kth items with the maximum sum. Okay, so we have kth item with the maximum sum, and the question is saying that there is a bag and that consists of items, right? So each item has numbered from 0 1 0 and -1, which is written on it. Okay, and let's suppose some bags we have, right? Let's suppose here we have some bag and there is some items we have, right? So these items are numbered with some -1 0 1 -1 0 1, like that we have here, right? And you are given a non-negative integers num0, right? And you have given 4 non-negative integers num1s, num0 and num-1s. Okay, and one value is k. So bag initially contains, right, num1s, num0s and num-1s, right? Items with 1s, 0s and -1 on it, right? Written on them. We have to pick exactly k item, right? We have to pick what? Exactly k items along the available items, right? And we have to return the maximum possible sum of items which is written on this item, right? What do we have to do? We have to pick exactly k items among the available items, and we have to return the maximum possible sum of numbers which is written on the items. Okay, so we will pick, let's suppose there is a lot of numbers, a lot of items we have, in which let's suppose k equal to 2 we will pick, right? So among this, right, now what we will do after picking this number, right, we want to pick on exactly k items among the available items, right? Means from these items we will pick k items. Let's suppose we are getting to pick 2 items, right? So now we have to return the maximum possible sum of numbers which is written on this. So maximum possible number is what? If item, maybe the possibility can be what? It can be possibility -1. It can be possible on the let's suppose this is item 1, and item 1 can be possibility -1, 0 or 1, right? Similarly, item 2 we have, right? So this is the possibility with same, either this is -1 written, 0 we have written, or 1 we have written. Okay, similarly both, right, the possibility. And if we'll do this sum, right, if both have -1, then we will do the sum. If we have 0 and 0, then we will do the sum, right? This can be possibility with -1 and 1, then we will do the sum. Or either this possibility, right, here is -1, here is 1, here is -1, here is 0, right? Like this, these are possibilities, right? Okay, so let's understand the example 1, in which we have given nums is nums1 is 3, and nums you can say we have given 2, num0 is 2 we have given, and num-neg we have given is 0, right? And k we have given is 2. Okay, so we have to pick 2 items, right? And we'll do that. Okay, so first of all, we have a bag of item with number written on them is nums1 we have 3, means this one 3 is 3 times, like this we have. Now num0 we have 2 times, now 2 times, and a negative we don't have, means -1 we don't have, right? So if we will make it into the array, it will look like 1 1 1 0 0. So this is the array will form after the getting the input, means at the runtime we will generate our you can say array, right, at the runtime. And so after creating this one, right, what do we have to? We will pick 2 items at least, right? So we'll take 2 items with 1 written on the on them, right? And we'll do the sum, right? So k equal to, we'll start from 0 1 2 3 4. So I'll start 2 items from here, right? And this is nothing but our what? 1 plus 1, and we are returning what? 2. So this is what exactly we have to do, right? I think you understood. If not, let's understand another example. Now we have given nums we have given 3, nums1 we have 3, nums0 we have 2, and non-negative we have 0. In this case, means if we will take an array, right? So first num ones we have 3, the 1 1 1. Num 0 we have what? 2 0 0, and num negative we have 0, so we will not take that one, right? Now we will represent this one into array, and it will look like this one. So this is the array after getting the input we have. Now k we have what? 4. So we'll start from k 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to add, right? So if we'll do the add from here to here, right, you will see 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0, and this is nothing but it is coming what, you can say 3, right? So this we have to do. So what we can do here, right, we will do the we have done the implementation, and we can do the implementation, right? Based on this one, we will create our what we can say array, and we'll do the sum, right? So let's go to the program, and we'll let's go to the browser, and we'll do the implementation. So the second part of the video, I'll do the program, and if you will understand this one, so you can do the coding. Okay, you pause this one, either you can better I will create another part of the video in which we will see the program. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this one.